Looking for the best phone lens kit, wide, macro, fisheye, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best phone lens kit, wide, macro, fisheye, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. This 2-in-1 telephoto lens and 150mm macro lens kit is a great option for those who want to capture high-quality photos of distant landscapes or close-up details. The lens kit includes a 6x telephoto lens and a dedicated 150mm macro lens, making it versatile and easy to use. The premium APEXEL optics are engineered with imported NITO A-grade optics, ensuring high performance and delivering light transmittance, distortion, and reflectivity. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth it for the quality and flexibility you get. Number 4. The Xenvo Pro Lens Kit is a comprehensive kit that includes a wide-angle and macro lens, along with an LED light and travel case. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing more of the scene, and the Claris 15x macro lens is great for taking super close-up photos. The kit is designed for hobbyists and photography pros alike, and the quality of the lenses is top-notch. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth it for the quality and versatility you get. Number 3. This 11 lenses phone camera lens kit is a great option for phone photographers who want to capture high-quality photos in different situations. The lenses are made of high-class glass, which helps prevent ghosting and flares, and the universal detachable clamp makes it easy to attach and detach the lenses. The kit includes a fisheye, macro, and wide-angle lens, among others, so you can experiment with different styles and techniques. It's a great value for the price, and I'd say it's a must-have for any phone camera enthusiast. Number 2. This 10-in-1 cell phone camera lens kit is a beast of a product. It includes a kaleidoscope lens, CPL filter, and radial filter, which can help you create unique and artistic photos. The high-quality lenses are made from aluminum, not cheap plastic, and are very durable. It's a great option for those who want to experiment with different photography styles and techniques. However, it may be overwhelming for beginners, so I'd recommend it for intermediate to advanced users. Number 1. If you're looking for a reliable phone camera lens kit, this 3-in-1 phone lens kit is a great option. It's designed with industrial-grade aluminum and premium optic lenses, making it ideal for capturing high-quality photos. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens is perfect for group shots, the macro lens is great for close-ups, and the 198 degrees fisheye lens adds a creative touch. It's also lightweight and easy to use, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. I'd say this is a must-have for any phone camera enthusiast. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.